Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have something special for you. This is the 2026 Centurion. This is a new release by Entegra coach. This is built on a Freightliner Cascadia chassis, 525 horsepower, 1,850 foot-pounds of torque, and has the ability to tow between 20 and 30,000 pounds. Just look at this exquisite paintwork. I really like this color myself personally, but I mean, look at the presence of this coach. Are you looking for a Super C? Are you looking for a big towing coach? Well, we may have just found it for you. I mean, stepping into this is going to be stepping into a rig. Look at those steps, just absolutely beautiful. Big tires, 315s, which is normally what you're going to find on your large buses. Hence, you're having an alternative to that big bus chassis as a Super C with even more towing than what they would normally allow. Let's take a look at some of the compartments. So you're going to see fully carpeted compartments here, nice big doors, thick, fully insulated, big heavy duty hinges, something to look at if you're looking for a big coach with actually your supports on board. As we continue down with our exterior storage, we've got a cooler here on a slide out tray, so that pops out, easy to get to, and super handy when you're traveling or wanting to barbecue outside. As we pop this door open, you'll notice the amount of space in our storage, how it greatly increases. And that's due to the size of the chassis and how the entire coach sits over it. Nice heavy duty reinforcing, and we have pass-through storage as well. Let's take a look at this compartment here. Again, connected to the front for longer gear. And this is a 3/4 pass-through. There's our Dirt Devil central vac on board, making cleanup nice and easy. Now, we can't really get back to the back compartments here, so let's go take a little final look on the outside here with our built-in awnings. We'll come over to the side so you can take a look at this. It's built in up into our rails, and then our slide outs have toppers as well. Let's take a look inside. As you step in, you'll notice these really beautiful ceramic tile floors, our dinette on a slide out, solid surface countertop, and TV on a televator. Now, for Entegra coach, this Centurion is now going to be the replacement of the large diesel coaches, as there's been a change in the industry of people wanting more Super Cs and less diesel pushers. So you have these beautiful home theater seats that are power seats. You still have the cab, but instead of having sleeping, you have storage with the large window, the massive Freightliner Cascadia chassis, again with 525 horsepower and 1,850 foot-pounds of torque, and that 20 to 30,000 pounds towing. When you look at the finishings on the ceiling, absolutely beautiful. All your air conditioning intakes are concealed. Beautiful LED lights, lots of storage throughout, nice and deep, and again, super heavy duty residential hinges, solid surface countertops, big deep double stainless steel sink. A little feature I like is not only do you have your little scrungy drawer here, but you actually have a slide, so when you're cleaning up, take your plate, scoop it off, and this drops it right down into your garbage container. Isn't that just a great little idea instead of having to always pull that drawer open? Dishwasher on board, and that's a Fisher Paykel. Our induction cooktop with the inserts, so that when you're not using it, you have lots of prep space. Let's take a look at the drawers. They're nice, long, deep drawers, nice finished solid wood, our residential fridge and freezer, and our residential microwave. Now, this is a 1.5 bath floor plan. So here's our midship bath, macerating toilet. You can see the push buttons right here. Good little counter space, big windows for lots of natural light. Now, looks like we have a pantry here. So let's flip around. No, actually, I guess this is going to be some sort of hanging closet, etc. Again, this is the first unit, so there's going to be some little finishing touches that they're going to finish up on. Our multiplex wiring, so we can access everything from lighting to our coach. For slide outs, we can look at our switches here, really nicely outlined. Large, that's a king size bed with storage above, and even in the bedroom, look at the finishing level around your air conditioning. As I pan back, big screen TV, good storage to either side. Let's check out these drawers. Nice deep drawers, fully lit as well with the European glides. And then, now I've cheated, I pre-scanned this unit. This washroom is great. Here's our toilet, lots of, let me pan back, lots of storage space, open floor space is what I meant to say, and storage space. Because you have drawers down here, you have drawers over here, and shelving storage with fully adjustable shelves, or you can have it half wardrobe, half shelving, whichever you prefer. And medicine cabinets, his and hers. But what I do like is a nice large shower with the seat. And to me, the inside looked like a Corian style wall surround. Not sure of the exact material, but you know, really well, nicely finished. Around the windows, we have our day-night shades, the wood framing around all the windows themselves. And this is a triple slide unit, so you really have a lot of open space. So this is Entegra Coach's response to a changing rear diesel marketplace. And they're shifting to more Super Cs, as that's where the demand seems to be going. Slightly shorter floor plans than the old traditional 42 and 45 foot floor plans. But still with that diesel capacity, that luxury, and the ability to tow really heavy loads. Well, this is a quick look at the Centurion by Entegra Coach, just being released at the Entegra Coach dealers get together expo here in Elkhart, Indiana. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please click the like button and the subscribe. We'd love to see you back at the channel, and I appreciate all your support. Take care.